What's good, Stushy? And it's your girl Stushy back with another video. If you're new, hey boo, my name is Stushy. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back to the channel. We're happy to have you guys back. Check out a brand new video. So welcome to episode 3 of my EntreprenHER series. So yeah, I don't know why that was so funny. But today I'll be showing you guys how I label my products for sale and just how I organize everything, organize all my inventory. So if you're interested in watching, stay tuned for the video. So if you didn't already know, I am the owner of EntreprenHER, which is a luxury 3D mink lash business, and our site is currently live. It is www.EntreprenHER.com. If you would like to check it out, the link will be down in the description bar. So first off, I do have my little setup right here. Just move it over just a bit. I'll actually show you guys. On top I have just some books that I keep up here, journals and stuff. This is actually my business journal, so I keep everything regarding EntreprenHER in here. I have a bunch of pens, markers and things of that sort that I could write stuff down in my journals and on these little post-it pads. I also have this little menu thing. I don't really know what this is called, but I did purchase it from Five Below. I purchased it for $5. It comes with a ton of different letters. Then I have my Dymo label printer. This is how I print my labels from home, so I don't have to go into the post office. This is my Brother P Touch printer, label printer, so that's what I use to label a lot of my lashes. So this is, ooh, focus, 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 focus. This is what I use to print out labels to just keep my inventory organized. So this is the first drawer where I have a ton of lashes. I haven't labeled any. I'm going to actually show you guys how I label it with this Brother P Touch machine, but I did want to show you guys that in here. In the second drawer I have more, and I just put post-it notes so I know like what the different names are for when I reorder from my vendor. But you see I have some labeled right here. In the third drawer, let me get down here. In the third drawer I have more lashes. I also have some scissors so I can cut stuff if need be, like open packages and stuff like that. I have this marker. I use this actually to mark stuff on like my to-do board. I also have this square reader that I actually haven't set up as yet, but this is for whenever I decide to take payments like on foot, or just, you know, in case someone wants to pay for lashes. This is my scale that I purchased from Marshall's. I paid $7.99 for this, so I can use this to weigh my packages before shipping. That way I can create my labels at home. I don't actually have to, again, go into the post office. Put this back in here. This is some extra label tape for my Brother P Touch. So this is the tape that can be used to make these. And then on here I have my stickers, so every order gets a sticker. So this is just my roll of stickers, and I keep it like this in plastic wrap just so it doesn't get all loose and, you know, loosey-goosey. And that's that. Whoops, that's not in. Ooh, okay. And in regards to my organizer, I got my organizer at Marshall's. I actually paid $29.99 for it. I really like it because I'm able to put stuff on top, and I'm also able to put stuff in the drawers, and I think it's pretty deep. I fit literally all my lashes. All of my inventory is in here. In regards to like my lash inventory is in here. So I really like this setup. I actually might get another one once I move. If you didn't know, I am in the process of moving, but this is a great setup for right now, so I'm not going to take this out. I'm just going to move this as is. Okay, so now that we're back here, right, I'm going to also show you the rest of my inventory, which are my business cards. This is what they look like. These are my business cards. I actually designed these myself, and then this is the front of the cards. And I also have, well, the stack is over here, but I'll just show you guys for reference. These are my thank you cards. This is the back of my cards, and we also give you a little 10% code for the next time you shop. So pardon my nails. I haven't done any self-pampering in a little while. I need a haircut. I need my nails done. I need $1 million now. But no, seriously.
Like, run me my money.
But yeah, so yeah, these are my thank you cards. I made these myself as well. My actual business cards are laminated. My thank you cards are not laminated. These I won't say I'm not satisfied with them, because I like them and they serve their purpose, you know, and I feel like a lot of people throw them in the garbage anyway after, like, I'm talking about the thank you cards. Don't throw my business cards away. But in regards to like the thank you cards and the business cards, I guess I like them both, but I'd like to update them in the near future, let's just say that, because I feel as though I don't know, I just feel like they could be better quality, if that makes sense. But I am using them nonetheless. People use Vistaprint and stuff. Once I move, I'm probably going to be using Vistaprint as well, just because if I'm not going to be near my school to get it printed there. But I did print these at my school, and I got my cards also printed and laminated at my school. So it worked out. I only paid, I want to say $35 altogether to have both my thank you cards printed and my business card, and I got 200 in total for each one. Well, I actually have 400 thank you cards, because the person that printed my cards, I'm reaching over here to grab them, the person that printed my card, this is how the front is faced. The back, they flipped it upside down. So I mean, it's not really a big deal. I could still use them. I probably will still use them just to get them out and not waste paper. That's the reason why I have 400 of these thank you cards. And I also have my mailers. So I have, this is the average size mailer, I'll say that. I don't know the dimensions, but this is, well, off the top of my head, I don't know the dimensions, but this is the average size mailer. And I also invested in these. So so as you can see, these are a bit bigger, a bit wider than these ones over here. So I invested in these in the event that someone wants like a ton of lashes, 3, 4, I could fit them all in here. But I like them to be comfortable. I want them to travel safely and not be all smushed and stuff. So I invested in the larger ones. Now to the fun part. I'm gonna be using my brother P-Touch to make some labels. So I'm just gonna turn it on right here. And I already have all my lash style names already preset in here. What you do is you just go in, manually type it out, and then you can save it. Like there's like a document folder in here that you could save all your different names or your different words. And so I already have that all done. What are we gonna make labels of? I'm gonna make labels for, let's see, for Capriel. So I'm just gonna take out, I'll take out 2 of these. And what I really like about this Brother P-Touch is the fact that you can print more than one label. So I'm not sitting out typing Capriel, 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 printing each one at a time. You can print up to 8 on here at a time. So this is my signature lash style. It's called Capriel. That's how she looks. Pretty. I'm currently wearing Confidence on my eyes at the moment, but Capriel is definitely a step up from Confidence. So if you want something a lot more voluminous, Capriel is the way to go. This is for more of my natural babies. So if you're a natural gal, you want to have an everyday natural look, these are for you. Confidence. See, it's a subtle look. It's nothing too over the top, nothing too glamorous. It just gives you the right, just a little more confidence. So that's why I named them that as well. Just adds to your natural beauty. See what I did there? I'm still learning to wink. Bear with me. Yeah, let's label Capriel right now. So I'm gonna go in here under menu. I gotta be able to see too. I'm gonna go in here under menu, and I'm going to scroll over. So let me get real close. I went into file, so now I'm gonna click OK. I'm gonna go over to open, hit OK, and then this showing, oh, hopefully you guys can see this as I go back. This is showing all of my styles. So now that I found Capriel, I'm gonna do OK, and then I'm gonna print, and we're gonna do 2. Right? Hit OK, and it starts to print right at the top. So I currently have pink tape in here. I purchased the tape online on Amazon.com for $9.99. When I bought my Brother P-Touch, it comes with black tape with white lettering, but I didn't want that for the brand, so I decided to invest in pink tape with white lettering. This green button just allows you to cut it. And I'm gonna grab my scissor. And what I hate about the P-Touch is I feel like it wastes so much tape. Another word could have fit right in here, but no. So this is what it looks like. It prints 2 on this much tape. What can you do? And here we have it. There is the tape on the back side. It's split down the middle, so you could just go in and peel it off. And I personally label my lashes on the side where the heart is. So when you get it like this, you could check right here to see what the style is. And I just rub it in a little bit just so that it sticks. And that's that difference. Now I'm also going to label the second one that I have here. And I think the tape adheres to my package pretty well. Doing a pretty good job. And if I don't get it in the middle, or if I don't get it placed as best as I'd like it to be placed, I can lift it up. These two are labeled. And then what I do is I just put them back in my container. So this just makes it 10 times easier, so that, I mean, although I know my lashes by looks, it's still nice to have it labeled so that when your customer receives it, in addition to their invoice or in addition to their packaging slip, they're able to look right on your case and tell what lash they ordered. So what I've been doing with the leftover tape, or the tape that doesn't have anything on it when I print it out, is I might make my own label. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says Boss Babe, so I just label random things that need to be labeled. Once I'm all moved, I think I'm gonna invest in purchasing another one of these for new inventory. Wink wink.
Oh brother, this guy stinks!
And maybe even my mailers, because right now my mailers are still in the box that my vendor sent them to me in, and it's kind of bulky to keep in the box, because this is pretty convenient. I think it doesn't take up too much room, and it's pretty durable. I think it's really durable. Actually, it's holding a lot of inventory as well. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's episode. Make sure that you click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Be sure to also give the video a big thumbs up. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, and be sure to click the notification bell button to be notified every single time I upload another video. If you haven't already, be sure to check out my website, get you a pair of lashes, get you a pair of confidence, get you a pair of Caprail, get you a pair of Stush, whatever floats your boat. And definitely tag us on our Instagram at CaprailNY if you do post a picture sporting your lash. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.